we're gonna build Thomas and Friends TrackMaster tracks on this table. Do you think we could do it?
Yes.
And the best part is you are gonna be the head builder.
Okay.
Can you do this?
Yes.
Okay, so you tell me what to do. So what's the first thing you wanna do?
The curve.
Curves, okay, let's find some curves. How many curves do you want me to get?
I need to get 1, 2, 3, 4 curves on this corner.
4 curves, okay. A straight track. It's 3 and 4.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, now what?
Now, switch tracks.
Switch tracks. What kind of switch tracks? I found this one.
Oh, yeah.
That one, or there's this one. Do you think you need 2 curves on each corner?
Yeah.
Yeah, this way. There you go. Here.
I need to find
Here.
one last
I got it for you.
thing.
Great. What else you need?
Straightaways.
Straightaways. How many straightaways do you think we need?
Maybe.
Okay, we're looking for straightaways for your ends. Over here.
I need a little.
Oh. Do you think we need a smaller one than that? Dude, maybe there's a smaller one. Oh, look at that. We found Thomas. This is what I'm looking for right here. Munchkin, I'm just gonna replace the little one over here. There you go. This way, it'll fit a little nicer. Do you think we need another switch track so we can connect this wherever that one's gonna go?
Yes.
Or here, I'll put it right here.
Yes.
Okay.
Where can we put the switch? How about this?
Okay, what do you want to do with it? I'm just gonna put I'm gonna connect your big tracks here. Oh, so you wanna make a bridge?
Yeah.
Is that what we're gonna do? Okay, we're gonna be fancy. So you wanna do this one here?
Yeah.
Because we have to figure out how to get over there, right? These ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to figure out how to connect to that. Bridge. Something like this. Okay, so there we go. Now this one?
Yes.
Oh, it's a little too long, I think, but we need, here we go. Wow.
That looks a very
This
big.
looks so cool. Okay, what else? Or is that it?
Yes, that's it.
That's it, that's our track. Now you gotta put your stations. So we have 1 station, 2 station. Okay, let's show your track. Switch track here. You can go straight, go around. Oops, sorry, station. Go around, you hit another switch track, but you have to keep going straight. And you come around, and then when you come back to our first switch track, you can now go over here, and you go right over a very cool bridge.
Then back to the connection.
Back to the connection. This is so cool, Liam. This is a very cool track. That was awesome. That was a really cool track.
Yes.
Okay, you want to get the rest of your motorized trains?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go do that. Okay, we're gonna switch on Thomas, and he's gonna show us how to go around the track. Man, this is such a cool track. And it's such a, when you have a small space, anyone could build this. Will you go through the tunnel? Oh, you go through the tunnel. Okay, you gotta switch it. Yep. Wow. Go Thomas. Oh my goodness.
And he says, hello, Paw Patrol.
Hello, Paw Patrol. Great job, Thomas.
Good job, Thomas. You're doing a good job.
What do we have on the tracks? We have, who's this?
Zuma. Rocky, and Marshall.
And Marshall. And then for our trains, who do we have? Who is this one?
Percy.
Percy. I'm gonna put him here. Who else?
Thomas.
Of course.
Who's
this?
Gordon.
Gordon.
Henry. And James.
And James. Should we put all the motorized trains on at the same time?
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
Set.
Flip.
Go. Oh no! Crashing!
They don't want to go on my sled.
Don't worry. Paw Patrol's rescuing. Oh no!
That's fun.
All motorized trains are going at the same time. Papa.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Don't worry. Paw Patrol's rescuing.
We're going to push out of the way.
Oh, there's happening crashing. Come on. Pussies.
One, two. There they come. There's Percy and Thomas and Gordon. This is so fun.
No.